Once we have the box open, we start going through the products. It has some tissue paper, like most boxes or subscription boxes. And the first product that we have is a skin moisturizing lotion. A Dove body wash. I was hoping I would get the deodorant, but an Act mouthwash. We have a Neutrogena Healthy Valium mascara. An Aveeno Daily Radiance Moisturizing. That's pretty good stuff. Hairspray. Try that. I guess it's okay. And then the rest were just samples with coupons. A lot of these samples, I've received these in some of the magazine subscriptions that I have. So these were okay, I guess. But a lot of these products, you could actually get these from magazines. So, and finally, we have a Jennifer Aniston sample perfume. Let's see how that is. That's it. So I hope you enjoy this video. And